Okay, folks, got on the stand. Hopefully now I can get into it, get clearance on the bearings, and hopefully and measure all the cylinders. Also, there was an I think most of it drained out when I tipped the motor over and when I was pulling out of the truck. Got that on there. I'm gonna take the pulley off there and then the timing cover, so I can take the pan off and then the pistons out. Check out that. It's still intact, but I don't know. I think I might replace it anyway. Okay. There is the timing chain. That is pretty sloppy. Okay, oil pan should be off now. Oh boy. That. There is some unbelievable sludge in this pan. Look at that. I mean, I think it has sat since like '94. Okay, just got the first piston out. Honestly, I think they don't look all that bad. This one looks fine too. Okay, I took all the crank bearings out there, and I'm a bit worried. There's a few of them here. Like, most of them look like they have a good mark in the middle there, but like I don't feel it on the crank. I don't like. I do on a little bit, so I don't know what I should do there. Okay, crank is coming out. Should be coming out. Ooh, that piston almost got away on me. There we go. Also, that oil pump and the cam is torn down completely. Okay, I guess it's just some cam now and lifters. Check out that cam. Looks all nice. I started off with gloves, and now it's just like, forget it. Okay, folks, cam and lifters are out, so that's a complete teardown. I guess this will be all, but hopefully I can do a video on rebuilding it here. Also, check it out. I'm doing a bit of a test run for merch. Yeah, if there's any interest, could do a bit of a run on them.